Good morning everybody. So it's a beautiful day today, the sun is shining. If you can't tell by my slightly deranged hair, I've just got up this morning and Danny is around here because he's just started up the barbecue to make some bacon for some bacon butties. Here he is.
Hello.
What you doing?
Making bacon.
Yum.
We've had our bacon butties. I've managed to get the fire going in here. So I'm trying to boil the kettle. Ellie has gone in the hot tub even though it's not hot. But it's actually still warmish from last night, so she's just sitting in there now. I've put a new fire in there so it should be getting warmer, but she's still just chilling in the sunshine, loving life. Hello.
Hello.
You having a nice time?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's a really lovely day today as well actually. Really nice and sunny. I put those chairs there just to try and dry them because it got rained on yesterday, but yeah, lovely. But we're going to just stay at the cabin and have a sort of a bit of a chilled day really. We were thinking of maybe going on a walk or something, but we kind of want to make the most of just being here really. So
Might go on a walk tomorrow maybe.
yeah, might go on a walk tomorrow before we set off. Ellie's completing one of the things on her bucket list for the weekend. You happy now?
I'm actually really busy.
Yay!
Make a grass angel?
You'll ruin your new trousers.
That's fine.
Oh, she's going again. You make yourself sick.
Do you want to roll down the hill?
No,
Why not?
because I'll make myself sick.
He's doing it.
Oh, ow, ow.
I feel like he's gone a lot further than me. Be careful of the nettles! Do you feel really dizzy?
Yeah.
I feel like I didn't get dizzy when I was a kid doing that.
I feel quite sick.
Oh no.
Yay! We are going to Cheadle to get some takeaway. We've ordered some curry online, and we're gonna go pick it up and take it back to our little log cabin. We chilled out in the hot tub for a little bit, and it was really nice. We're hoping it'll stay warm by the time we get back. We're going to eat our food on the decking and then we're probably going to get back in the tub. We've had a nice day of not doing much.
Yeah, I was going to say we haven't really picked up the camera at all today because we've mostly been just relaxing really, and I've had a nap and just enjoying our time that's left. So yeah, let's go get some curry.
Okay, we've parked. I'm just going to go in and pick up the curry. I thought I'd just film it, I don't really know why. It's not exactly riveting content. Okay, got the goods. Let's go. I can see Ellie waving in the car. Oh no, she's stopped now. Oh no, there she is. Silly goose. Hello, did you order a takeaway?
Yeah. So they've gone and painted lines on this road even though it's really small and there's no way that you would fit two cars.
There's absolutely no way. I like their water feature.
This house is so nice. It's like an idyllic little farmhouse sort of thing.
Can you see their water feature?
God's sake.
I think it's like a, I don't know. But no, it's a nice house. Look at the gloves hanging up outside the front door.
I know, it's so
little gardener's
nice.
gloves. And all the like stacked firewood.
I'd love to live somewhere like that one day.
Yeah. This is where we've been staying. That's the little farmhouse. Really nice. I can't remember if we mentioned that there was a chicken sat on the little roof thing there. We always saw it sitting up there and looking scared. And I made the joke that it was they didn't know how to come down. But we realised, because I saw it getting attacked one time by one of these other bully chickens, and since then I've noticed that she's been put in this separate one. So at least she's safe now. Poor little girl. Such a beautiful evening. Oh, we've alerted the sheeps. Oh no, you dropped your phone. I got it. Oh, it's so bright on the camera. Why is that so bright? That's better. Oh, they're just enjoying the sunset, aren't they? Can't say I blame them. That's what we're about to go and do. By the way, as we're walking back, we thought we'd show you the shower. Yeah, it's actually quite good. If you go inside, it's like really modern and everything. Yeah, and it's nice and hot, decent power. It's good. But yeah, it's actually pretty good. Ellie's got the curry. And this is our home for now.
So we've got a curry now. Yum yum yum. We've got tarkas dal, some chicken stuff, peshwari naan. Danny got a lamb something.
Roshan? I don't know. I can't even. It had garlic somewhere in the description, so. And we got peshwari naan. Oh, I've already said that.
Yeah, and we're sat out on our little terrace thing, and the sun's just starting to set, so it's that really lovely like golden sunlight that you get. It's really nice. Yeah, let's enjoy.
Is it good? Good. Happy?
Happy.
Nice. So we've had our curry, which was delicious. Now we're going to get in the hot tub. You might be able to see it steaming. I think it's probably a bit too hot. Oh no. Let's have a look. Oh dear. Well, at least the fire's going. Yeah, I think I've boiled it. Oh well. At least you won't be cold. Oh dear.
It's bubbling.
Is it actually bubbling? Oh no, that's. Oh no, that's just from where the hot water comes out.
You've never done that before.
Do you want to test it with your hand? Cautiously. Oh, is it? Oh no.
It's so hot.
Oh sh.
We can't get in that.
Oh, for God's sake! I used like all of the wood. Oh no.
You never learn. Good morning.
Morning.
So we didn't really film anything last night other than trying to do the hot tub and failing. We did eventually get in the hot tub. We just had to wait ages for it to cool down.
It was quite uncomfortable for a fair while. But it was nice though, I think.
Yeah, so we sort of sat in the hot tub and we did a bit of stargazing, didn't we? Which was nice.
Really nice.
And then we had a good sleep, and then we just got up and cleaned the hut, so it's all nice and back to how it was before we got here. And sadly, we're going to head off. So it'd be quite nice to get a little coffee or something, and then maybe go for a bit of a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Hi again. So we've driven to the Ramblers Retreat, which is like a sort of cafe, pubby type thing, mostly cafe. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, but it's near a load of like nice sort of foresty walks that we're going to just go and have a little bit of a walk. But yeah, it looks really cute. The drive up here was nice as well. There it is. It's not open, unfortunately, because it's Monday today. But
yeah, we'll have to come back another time and go in there because it looks really nice.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
It's got like a little garden, I think you can sit in and everything.
Yeah.
It's nice, but...
So we're gonna... Yeah, there's like a map and stuff to show where the walks are. So I think we might... Oh, actually that's different from the map that I saw. Oh well, we're gonna walk around the lake. I think, yeah. And maybe the smelting mill.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're gonna follow the red signs and do that there woodland walk.
That there woodland walk.
So pretty. Walking into the woodland.
I mean,
I don't.
kind of what you'd expect, really.
Well, yeah. I don't wish to alarm you, Ellie, but you have a bee on your ear. In fact, there's one on that one as well.
Got them for my birthday.
Make sure they don't sting you. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, she's running. She's running away. We've seen a sign for Rain Roach Rock. It's not on our route, but we're gonna go in.
There was a robin, but it's just flown up into the tree.
Aww.
Oh, it's a lake.
Oh, it's a lake. Sounds like there's a waterfall. Or is it just... Oh, I don't know.
It's like on the map, the lake is really far away. It was literally like 2 seconds.
I think the map makes it look like it's a longer walk than it is. Oh, they've got a duck. Oh, look at that. I like all that like willow, little willow island.
Oh, it's really beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. So I think we're at the end of the lake now, but there's a really nice house there.
It's like the most idyllic house. And look, they've got a little boat there that I bet they can push out into the river.
Yeah. And they got a lot of geese. Look. We found some horses.
Do you think they're friendly?
You can find out.
They're a bit scary.
No, they look friendly. They don't look scary. Just don't have your fingers out because they might get bitten. But yeah.
I'm a bit scared.
No, I don't. Well.
Hi.
Hello. So we've been following the route. We realised we were going the wrong way before, so we kind of backtracked and went the right way. And it's like actually quite steep. we're really high already, and also really out of breath.
There's some hikers that just like zoomed past us and we were like, oh, look at the view.
Yeah. Just don't let them realise we're like dying.
Look at this tree, it's like on a rock. That was so weird.
That's amazing. The battery's really low, by the way, so if at some point you see a clip of us at home being like, it's the end of the vlog, then that'll be why, unfortunately. But I'll try and save the battery. We're quite high.
Quite high.
On the map, it was marked bench with a view, and we've been looking for it the whole time. And we think this might be it, because I am currently on the bench. And that's quite a nice view. Although it doesn't fit on the map where I thought it would.
Oh, I thought
but
I was seeing the view.
No, you are. Oh, I see. Yeah, you're the view.
I think there might be some kind of invisible portal here.
Yeah. It's
Quite likely.
an ancient gateway. I think Ellie's gonna go through the portal and vanish. Oh no, she's gone! Oh no! Ellie!